Hi tech fans, and welcome to Online Tech Review. In this episode we want to show you a really cool product that we got today, and we're going to talk about the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. Now I know in the sports, action type of world, photography and videography, GoPro is a big player because it's a great option that's already used by so many of you when it comes to actually getting the camera in front of your face, in rain, snow, sun, mount the camera on your helmet, on your bikes, on your body, right? Skydivers use them. It can be used everywhere, right? You know, from car reviews all the way to bikers and skiers, and everybody's using some type of action camera, and a GoPro is definitely an interesting option out there. So just really quick before I open the box, because this time we just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you. This one has shoots at 20 megapixel photos, so if you want to shoot photos, 20 megapixels. You can shoot video 5K at 30 frames per second, and then 4K at 60 frames per second. So definitely a great option. And then 10 meters or 33 feet waterproof. So for all those under the water shots, this is definitely a good option. If you look on the side of the box, it's going to give you, 8x slow-mo and obviously all other information that you will need. How it shoots RAW, and then just different options that you have. Now, GoPro says that obviously this time Hyper Smooth 3.0, this is going to give you a much better quality of the video. So just smooth the video, and then being able to download the app and control the camera from your phone. It's a big option. You can find the GoPro app on both App Store and Google Play Store. So let's open up this GoPro and see what's inside the box and what does it come with when you actually get it. So right here, you can just take this guy right here and then pull it towards you. Boom. Gonna move this on the side. Opens up the box. It does come in this case, which is really nice. Looks like protective case. There you go. It says GoPro right here. Move this around. It does come with a nice zipper. So the case itself, it's really light, but it looks like it does offer a nice protection to the camera and any kind of equipment that you may want to store inside. So move it around, open up, and there you go. So this is what's inside the box of a GoPro. Looks like right here we have some paperwork. Right now, how you can subscribe to GoPro. There you go, how you can connect, how you can charge it. It does charge via USB-C. And there you go. So we'll take these and put them right back right here. And then what else does it come with? There you go. It comes with the USB, regular USB on one side, and then USB-C cable on the other. Put this on the side. It does come with a battery. Now this battery is a little bit bigger, so it's not backwards compatible. You're not going to be able to use it with the previous versions of GoPro Hero 8, 7, and vice versa, but it should give you about 30% more charge. So definitely a nice option there. However, knowing how most of you will probably use this for longer periods of time, you may want to get more batteries. It's always a cool thing to do. If you want to mount the GoPro camera, let's say on your helmet and stuff, you have yours mounting plate right here. This one is curved, so you will just peel the sticker, the 3M glue, and then you'll be able to attach this to wherever you need to. But being curved like this, super practical if you need to mount it on your helmet and stuff. And then of course, there you go right here. So you have your screw, so it's going to go around, and then you'll be able to mount the GoPro on the bottom, which it has a special place where you can actually mount this guy. So put this on the side right now, and here's the camera itself. There you go. Looks like it does come with this plastic that's wrapped around, and if I pull right here, plastic should come off. There we go. It does have a back screen protector. I'm going to take this off before I turn it around so you guys can see how it looks. And then it says 9 black. Here's your on-off button right here. And then on the front, you have your lens, and then you have a front facing screen. So you can actually see your shot and be able to frame your shots. It does come with a lens protector, which has a small plastic wrap. I'm going to take it off and then take off the other plastic wrap. There you go. So now I just want to give you a few shots around so you can see this camera. I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can see. Here's the lens right here. Like I said, you will be able to see yourself if you're doing selfies, vlogging, so you can actually see the screen. You can adjust, by the way, the screen so you can see exactly, do you want to see a cropped version of that, or do you want to see full size, what you're seeing here. There you go, you have the button to record on the top, and then, like I said, on-off mode, and you can actually switch modes on the side right here. So on the bottom, this is where you would connect the screw. Like I said last time, you would bring this in here, and then you'll be able to mount this one in here so that you can actually carry this on a tripod or however you want to mount this guy right here. But it would pretty much look something like that. So they're round, and then when you don't need them, you just push them on the side. Now, it is a little bit tricky. This is where you mount the battery. I know some people have issues. I certainly did. So when you open it up, it does take a micro SD card. So definitely highly would suggest get a nice high capacity micro SD card. And then when it comes to mounting the battery, you would just pop it like this. Oh, and then before I forget, to charge it, that's where you would be charging it with a micro USB-C connection, which is this guy right here. So let me see if I can insert the battery for you, and let's see exactly how does that mount. Looks like it goes like this. Let me see. And then close this guy here, and then turn it on. Boom. So this camera is on right now. GoPro. Now this is where it would prompt you to go ahead, download the GoPro app, and then you'll be able to control the settings from your phone. So this, I'm not going to go through the setup right now. Just wanted to show you how you can choose the language, and then turn, Bluetooth on, GPS, and all those nice features. So we just wanted to do this time quick unboxing so that you can see how this camera looks. You can see already the screen. It's showing you what it sees, what the lens is capturing, and obviously right now I'm pointing towards the camera and the ceiling, so that's what you're probably going to be able to see. But just wanted to give you a quick unboxing so that you can see when you buy the GoPro Hero 9, what's in the box, what's included, and what can you expect from it. So we cannot wait to use this camera, and hopefully in the future we can provide some video shots that are directly captured with this camera right here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up on this video. If you have any questions, definitely post them in the comment section below. Would love to be able to answer any questions as we use this camera and have a better idea what to expect. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed. And if you are kind enough to hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when we post videos in the future. So this is it for this time. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.